Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your phone meets basics, Android 8, 0 or newer and enough free space. Once done, decide whether to use the official Chatgpt app or the browser. The app gives smoother notifications, while the browser can be faster for one-off use. Sign in with the account you'll keep long-term because history and settings tie to it. Next, grant microphone and notification permissions when prompted, so voice input and alerts work reliably. Now you configure the experience. Set dark mode to save battery and enable notifications for replies. When you craft prompts, give context and explicit goals so responses are focused. For example, state the desired length or format. Use the microphone to dictate longer prompts and attach images or files when relevant. Make sure to pin important threads and use the app's conversation features to continue context. That keeps follow-ups coherent and saves time when iterating on answers. To finish, refine the reply by asking for edits, then save key results to your notes or cloud storage so nothing is lost. If something breaks, first update the app and clear the cache. Make sure your account is signed in correctly and that background data is allowed. If problems continue, log out and log back in because token refresh often resolves sync errors. If all else fails, check service status and report the bug with screenshots to get help quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.